In today's video, we're gonna learn how to create a Netflix account. Netflix is a video streaming platform where you can watch unlimited movies and TV shows. To create your account of Netflix, you can just open up your web browsers and search for netflix.com. Once you land on the homepage of Netflix, you will see a similar interface. Now to create your account and start your membership, you just type in your email address and then just click on Get Started. And in the next page, you will need to finish setting up your account. Click on Next. Now your account on Netflix needs a password, so make sure you create a strong password. Now underneath you'll see a sentence which says, please not email me Netflix special offers. So if you don't want to get any offers from Netflix, make sure that you check this box and then click on Next. The next step is you just need to choose your plan. Click on the next option and here you'll be able to see all of the plans that you can choose. Now there are 4 plans: the mobile plan, the basic plan, standard and the premium plan. The cheapest one is the mobile plan, which is the $3.99, and the expensive is the premium plan, which is $11.99. Depending upon that, you can choose your preferred option and then just click on Next. Once you do, the final step is to make a payment, either using a credit card or a debit card, or you can use your PayPal account. Choose your payment method. If you choose the credit or debit card, just enter in your card details, so the name, first name, last name, your card number, your expiration date and the CVV, which is the security code which you would see on the back of your card. Just in case if you want to change your subscription plan, you can click on this change option and select the new one. After you filled in all these details, you just check on I agree and click on start membership. But if you want to pay using your PayPal, you can select the PayPal option and click on continue to PayPal. This will take you to the website of PayPal where you just enter in and log in to your PayPal account. And once you do that, your membership of Netflix will start. So that was a quick video on how to sign up or create an account of Netflix. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.